Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. We are going to learn UPSC Main History Lesson 24. Well, the topic is settlements of Indus Valley civilization in terms of the community life or settlements of community life of Indus Valley civilization. Well, let me define first. Indus Valley civilization featured well-planned urban settlements and those settlements mainly located along the Indus and Ghaggar Hakra river. Two rivers were very famous of Indus Valley civilization. First Indus river and second Ghaggar Hakra rivers systems. Features of Indus Valley civilization. There have been 7 points given with regards to the community life of the settlements of them. Through 7 points have been have been pointed out here to understand with regards to the life of people of Indus Valley civilization. First, the urban planning. Cities were laid out on a grid pattern with well-defined streets, right, in which a centralized authority and advanced town planning were made. Second, citadel or lower town. The citadel was likely to be the residence of the ruling class, right, main class, while the lower towns were the residential areas for the majority of the population, right. Number 3, brick construction. Baked and sun-dried bricks were used. Baked and sun-dried bricks were used for the construction with a constant 1:4 ratio, indicating standardized building practices. Number 4, sanitizing systems. Indus Valley civilization was sophisticated in terms of the drainage systems and water management, which covered drains and water disposal. Right. Number 5, public works, granaries, and public health, like the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Right. Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro suggested the community organization. Number 7, evidence of trade. Standardized weights and measures, right, along with the exchange of goods were found as evidence of trade of Indus Valley civilization. The community lived there. Diverse occupations were specialized craft workshops and distinct residential neighbors. Well, let me once again give the 7 points which have been said with regards to the settlements of the community life of Indus Valley civilization. First, urban planning, right, that were made of grid pattern streets, and a centralized and advanced authority were made of that area. Second, citadel lower town. Citadel was made for the cause of the ruling class people, residents of the ruling class people, and lower class people were used to be living in the lower town areas, right. Number 3, brick constructions were made with the help of baked and sun-dried bricks, right, for the purpose of construction of citadel with 1:4 ratio of the standardized category of buildings practices. Sanitizing systems were found to be the sophisticated drainage and waste management systems were covered with the drains and water disposal. Number public works, granaries and public health found to be the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro suggested of that community organization. Evidence of trade, weights and measures were used along with the goods and services, and diverse occupation found to be sophisticated craft workshops along with the distinct residential neighbors. Well, friends, let me tell you little bit Hindi with regards to this topic for your understanding, not in details but in nutshell. इंदास वैली सिविलाइजेशन का जो कम्युनिटी लाइफ का जो बसेरा, कम्युनिटी मीन्स सामाजिक बसेरा का जो ज़िंदगी है इंदास वैली सिविलाइजेशन का, उसमें बताया जा रहा है। इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा इंदास और घाघर हकरा रिवर का जो सिस्टम्स है उसी का ऊपर में ही यह बनाया गया था इंदास वैली सिविलाइजेशन। इसका जो फीचर्स है, सबसे पहले 7 फीचर्स है। फर्स्ट, अर्बन प्लानिंग कैसे किया गया था। इसमें ग्रिड पैटर्न का जो रोड्स है वो बनाया गया था और उसमें सेंट्रलाइज्ड अथॉरिटी था और एडवांस्ड प्रगतिशील टाउन योजना था। ये सिटाडेल और लोअर टाउन था, 2 कैटेगरी में बटा गया। सिटाडेल में जो रेसिडेंट रहते थे रूलिंग क्लास लोग रहते थे, और सिटाडेल जो है दुर्ग या गढ़ को बोलते हैं, और लोअर टाउन्स में रेसिडेंशियल आदमी लोग रहते थे। वो मेजॉरिटी जो अधिकतर आदमी वहीं पे रहते थे। ब्रिक कंस्ट्रक्शन, ये बेक था, यानी कि पकाया गया, जो मिट्टी को अच्छा से पकाया गया था, और सन ड्राइड और धूप से पकाया गया जो मिट्टी है उससे ब्रिक्स बनाया गया, और ये 1:4 रेशियो में उसका सिस्टम का स्टैंडर्डाइज कैटेगरी किया गया था। सैनिटाइजिंग सिस्टम अच्छा था, जिसमें सोफिस्टिकेटेड अच्छी तरीके से ड्रेन और वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम था, और ड्रेन्स और पानी जाने के लिए रास्ता बनाया गया था। पब्लिक वर्क्स में जो ग्रेनारीज हुआ करते हैं, जिसमें बड़े बात स्नानागार या नहाने का जगह मोहनजोदारो में सजेस्ट किया जाता है। ट्रेड का एविडेंस मिला, जिसमें वेट और मेजर्स नापा और उस कारण के लिए उसमें दिखाया गया। अलग अलग ऑक्यूपेशन में उसमें आदमी काम करते थे। तो ये 7 पॉइंट्स इंपॉर्टेंट है सेटलमेंट्स, बसेरा ऑफ कम्युनिटी लाइफ, यानी सामाजिक ज़िंदगी का जो बसेरा है इंदास वैली सिविलाइजेशन के बारे में ये बताया जा रहा था। थैंक यू वेरी मच।